Jamaicans gripped by football mania. Joyful scenes, a welcome break from all the stress.
Always happy, win or lose, always have a joy.
World Cup action in Qatar, the only game in town. As here in Arnett Gardens, where TV screens on roadsides carry all the matches. None more sure to be watched by avid eyes than Brazil versus, well, whoever. Doesn't really matter. Arnett Gardens and many other inner city communities always banking on Brazil taking out the opposition.
No goal, let's go from Brazil. We don't colleges, no Brazil. Carry us the trench in Jamaican people. One team, one Brazil. That them for know. I was saying that. Next to Jamaica. I just play come out and call I know.
In 2022, the five-time winners of the Jules Rimet Trophy, again the favourites. Richarlison's scissors kick goal, a typically stunning flash of Brazilian flair, setting the stage and whetting appetites for yet more World Cup glory for the yellow and green clad Brazilians.
Suppose Brazil lose today.
Suppose we don't know one them summer down. I one go know. Brazil can't lose today. Make sure it not frost off. Yeah, hear that, man. Atina! They feel like Brazil are go flop, you know. No, yet we here Brazil side.
Who's the top player from Brazil? Who's the top player? Neymar Jr.
You want to know? Where come from? Country? Where come from?
Other names making a goal-scoring imprint, but few here interested in hearing about Messi or
It's a Brazil fans that tell you this. Take it from me. We Brazil and Argentina are going to fight. One Brazil. Messi and Brazil will send you one. Who are the top player for England?
Who are the top player? Marcus Rashford. I feel me more and get out. Marcus Rashford. Are the top player that?
France have got to deal with England first. England will bring that one still. I just want them give France, just one love. I just see the France fans them too high.
but no one hyper than Gardens Brazil fans.
I know the score is 3-0 right now, but you think there's any chance of Brazil losing?
No time.
You don't hear about us, but we are here. You notice? We only draw. We don't lose any match. So, confident, fully confident England.
A voice in the wilderness. Charmaine, though, already counting down to a Brazil final and dressing the part.
This is the first Brazil dress me make. Yeah, cause me are the big designer boy. Yeah, Charmaine British all the way.
In the meantime, Trenchtown digging deep for Brazil. History says they're a safe bet until they met Croatia.
It's competitive to the last minute. I mean, we get 10 minutes extra time to get some extra into it, but I mean, even Brazil today is crazy when we see it all the way to the end from the group stage, first games. It just feels like a knockout stage. So, you know, it's great to see every team compete to that level.
Who is best poised to take it now that Brazil is out?
Netherlands. Even before Brazil was out, you know, Netherlands would have taken it anyway.
He's from the Netherlands, which is the reason he said that. Right now, it looks like France would be hard to beat, but if this guy, Messi, gets to the final, he's going to be tough to beat.
So you have your wigs ready?
Unfortunately, yes. I didn't know you'd do this to me, you know, my friend.